Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to finish off Stairway to Heaven. Alright, so we're halfway through the guitar solo. We just got this call and answer back type situation. I'm pretty sure it was stolen by Frozen 2. Usually you'll do like a little run, and then it will do the slide thing, and then you'll do a little run, and then you do the slide thing. But don't worry about the slide thing. So this is the first little run you do, but we're going to just slide it. So B string, 15th fret to the 17th fret. And then we got it right here. And then we got a bend up and down pull off like we were doing before. And then right here. And then a bend. So that whole section sounds like this. We're just going to slide this one. So that's a 13th fret on the B string. And then 12 right here on the G, back to there, and then slide. We're just gonna do a lot of slides. It's too hard to bend on the acoustic all the time. This one's really weird. It's like a huge bend. We can't do it on acoustic, so we're just gonna do a long slide and then kind of do some pentatonic-y stuff down here. So we're gonna, what you wanna do is just kind of slide all the way up to either the 12th or 13th fret and just kind of give it a nice big bend, as big as you can, and then slide back down this way. So we got those 3 dots right there. It's like really hard to tell what he's doing. It's really a lot of reverb and stuff. But yeah, we can get away with it by just going. That's what we'll do. And then the last one, it's going to be really hard on acoustic guitar. You got these two barred, 17th fret, and you're going to be pulling off right here. So, starting with this note. And then a huge bend. That's the end of the guitar solo. It's pretty hard to do the bend. Don't worry about it. I don't know what else to tell you. This is supposed to be on an electric guitar. Now we got the rest of the song. It's just A minor, bar chord, walk down to G, walk down to F. And if you want to make it fancy, you can lift up your finger and make it a ooh. Super cool little thing. So F, slide up to A on the E string. And then right there, we got the C. But those are the notes. And then it ends with a bunch of huge giant bends where he's hitting 2 strings at the same time, and we're not going to do that. It's just too difficult on acoustic guitar. We're going to say we end it right here. Excellent, yes, you learned one of the most famous and beautiful songs in the world. Good luck.